Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set contact photo on your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to call button here and go to contacts here and select a contact for which you would like to add a photo. And I select this contact and click on profile pictures sharing and turn on this button here. Okay, when contacts change their profile pictures will change on your phone too. Okay, now go back and click over click on this option, camera option, and here click on gallery. Click on gallery and select camera folder and select any photo. Okay, here I select this photo and click on done and click on save. Finally, yes, contact photo has been added to this contact. Okay, so in this way you can easily add contact photo. I am showing it for another contact. Okay, I select this one and click on sorry, I am selecting this contact and click on this profile icon, and here I click on this option and I click on gallery and I click on camera and I select any other photo now and I click on done, click on save, and yes, contact photo has been added to this contact. Okay, so in this way you can easily set contact photo for particular contact in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.